Alright, I want to make a quick video on how to install some truck accessories, dual revolution lights on the back of your cab, back of your sleeper. These are red running lights when you're going down the road, and then you hit a switch, they turn to white loading lights because we have loading lights on the back of our truck when we're loading up at nighttime. So stay tuned, super easy, let's get it. First up, these are the lights right here from Truck Accessories. These are the 4-inch red running lights going down the road, clear loading lights. That's all the information on the back, but you guys can get yours at www.truckaccessories.com. All right, so this is the back of my sleeper right here. We're replacing 6 lights. Already got 3 of them done. But first thing you want to do, since these stock lights are all riveted in, so you just take a grinder, grind it off a little bit, and then I back that up, punch it, and then I drill with the drill. That way it pops it right out. Boom, light comes out. All right, so once you're done grinding it, you want to drill out the rivet right in the center. Use a punch, drill it out, and then once you drilled it out, the light should just pop out like so, and then cut the wires, and then get ready to install. We did our wiring. The next thing we want to do is reinstall our lights. There was rivets when I took it out, so I'm gonna put rivets when I put it back in. I got some stainless steel rivets. I got my rivet tool. I don't got my air one, but I got this one by hand, which will get the job done. I just wanted to look stock as possible, so whatever I took out, I'm gonna put it back in like nothing ever happened. Here's an up close of the light before I install my last 2. 19 diodes, 4 inches, operating voltage is 12 volts. It's got a little gasket on the back, that way it seals nicely up against the sleeper. Those are those clear LED headlights that I was showing you guys. I got the black ones on unit number 4. I'm gonna install the clear ones on unit number 3. Truck accessories, door steps. You know how it is, D.O.T compliant. Nothing but the best from these guys. Go check them out. I got excited, I had to hook it up to the jumper box. Check it out. Man, those are the load lights. Walk up here, turn the load lights off. Those are my running lights. Can't wait to show you guys at nighttime when it's all lit up. This is what she looks like at nighttime. I think it looks really super good. It really ties in the trailer. Whenever we did the trailer, back here it just looked like super dark, but I like it. It looks really good. Hit my load lights. Man, those things are so bright compared to those stock Peterbilt ones. Jesus. Man, that's nice. Catch all y'all in the next one. We're gonna go catch the night shift right now. Be safe.